Hello, in this tutorial we'd like to demonstrate how you can clean your point cloud from parking cars or from people what are walking around. It's the same workflow actually. So we have a clean up tool here, and there is a polygonal selection, so you can directly define a polygon surrounding this car here. And to zoom or to get closer to it, I just make a right mouse click on the object, and pinpoint will automatically zoom to the specific scene. And then I'm surrounding this car here, and I'm being careful not picking the upper side of this sidewalk here. So I try to stay on the level of the street. And after I finalize the selection, I make a double click, and then you see this polygon here. And the next thing you need to do is hold down your control key on your keyboard. In German is STRG. I think in English is CRTL, control. Hold this button down and then make a mouse click and then move your mouse forward and backward, and you will see these selection planes here. And then you define the level right under the tire of this car here, or something like this here. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. And then I'm doing a left mouse click to apply the selection. And then again, I still holding the control key down, and I move my mouse forward to move the selection up, and I define the second plane, and I can just put this here up because there's nothing above the car, so I don't have to be careful in this matter. And now you see we have already selected the car, and we just can delete it by hitting the trash can. The next example is a little bit more complicated because we don't have points in behind the car or in the back of the car, because the focus was not here for the scanning of the car. It was more different scenario, and I'm just using this example. So when I'm trying to use this polygon selection here, I have the issue I have to snap to existing points, and in this matter I have also the selection above the street or on the sidewalk. So my defined area is now not horizontal. It has a little degree because it's average of the sidewalk and the road. And if I do the selection like I did before, then you can see I have the road selected and I have also a selection of the sidewalk. So what I can do here, I can use a different tool setting. So I use the polygonal tool, and I'm surrounding the car very roughly. And in this matter, in this case, I don't have to pick points anymore. So I just select the whole car. And then what I'm doing now is I will subtract a selection. So I'm using the planar selection here. So I activate this tool here, and then I just click the road, and pinpoint will extracting the plane of the road. So if I make a left click on the road, you will see this little symbol here for the layer. And now again, I hit the control key, I hold it down, and then I move my mouse forward and backward again. And because I don't like to select anything, I like to deselect. So I hold on top the shift key down. So control key and shift key. And then you see the green color. That means it will subtract the selection. And once again, I'm looking to my tire. I go close to my tire, clicking right click on the car again to zoom, to get close to it. And then I select this area so that the road will be subtracted from the selection. Here we go. And then I see I still have the selection on the sidewalk, and here I can also use the polygonal tool. And same thing, I'm doing this selection, and before I'm finalizing this selection, I'm I'm holding down the shift key, and then my polygon line becomes green. So that means it's switching to the subtraction option. Now I'm hitting the shift key and click left mouse key, and here we go. You could also use the ball tool to select these little red dots on the tire to deselect them. But for now, that's fine for the demonstration. So once again, I just hit the trash key and I deleted my car even if I didn't have the points behind the car. So it's a very powerful tool to use. And in the second case, it's a combination of these two tools, the polygonal tool and then the plane selection tool. And yeah, that's pretty much it is for this tutorial. Thank you very much. Please let us know how you clean up your point cloud and what tools you use or what you're still missing in our tool here in pinpoint. And then for all of these what don't have the pinpoint installation yet, we added the download link below on the video. And if you have question to cleaning your point cloud or other question to work with your point cloud, shoot us an email on support@scanner2go.de. Thank you so much and have a great day.